Trumaya. I saw one comment. The comment said, hey, online in-laws, online in-laws, online in-laws, una well done, no, una well done. I saw a lot of foolish, okay, let me not call somebody's opinion foolish. I saw a lot of comments like, seriously, I saw a lot of comments on this Miss Trudy and Wode Maya's marriage saga. I saw a lot of comments, but the one that off me most is the one that said that their marriage will not last. Oh my goodness. Like, seriously? You are the one that measures marriage. You measures marriage. You are the one that measures marriage. How many years will my own last? Let us measure it by the by my height. So now let us go and measure Maya's own. How many years will Maya's own last? Let us measure it now. You that can measure number of years that marriage will last. Let us start measuring it. Let's use the tape. How many inches do you want to give 1 year? Let us use the tape and measure it. Some of you will not rest. You people will not rest. Go and rest. Oh, you people should go and rest, please. Now, wow. Hey. To be famous now, wahala, trouble. If you're famous, you're in soup. You're in okra soup. You're in egusi soup. Somebody cannot just express his or her opinion in peace again. Somebody just did interview. People have started using it to judge how many years their marriage will last. If their marriage will stand test of time or it will not stand test of time. The comment that off me most is the one that somebody said that this marriage will not last. Oh, this marriage has a cultural difference, long distance relationship, it will not last. Are you the one that gives as the number of years? Haven't you seen people with, in fact, different cultures, different long distance relationship, and they still stand the test of time? Haven't you seen people in such a relationship? Me that is staying here now, my own is long distance relationship. It's long distance relationship, and it's still standing strong, gidigba. Me, my marriage is long distance too, and it's standing strong, gidigba. And the person said long distance relationship doesn't last. Their own is not even long distance relationship, and somebody is opening mouth to say long distance relationship doesn't last. Are you the one that measures marriage? You are the one that measures number of years people stay in marriage. Ungwa, come and take your tape. Come and take your tape and measure it. Measure their number of years. Since you are measuring the number of years people can last, you are God. You are a mini God. Welcome. Please like the stream for me. Welcome. I can see you. I can see everyone. Like the stream for me. Are you the one that measures the number of years marriages will last? Oh yeah, come and measure my own, please. Come and measure my own, because your own is long distance relationship. It will not last. See, marriage does not have formula. You guys to leave the girl alone to enjoy her marriage in peace. Marriage that just started. You people are giving the marriage headache. It's even you people that will break the marriage if care is not taken. Which kind of trouble is that one? Black Beauty, I can see you. Welcome. I am measuring how many number of years Maya's marriage will last. See me with my tape. How many years should I give Maya? Let me give Trumaya 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. How many years? This is 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Where should I stop? Where should I where should I stop? I'm laughing, Golden. See, please, I'm laughing, Jare. I have to laugh because 70 years. No, now 70 years is too small now. Why don't you want to give them forever? Give them forever now. 70 years is too small, because give them forever and ever. Me, because me, my own will last forever. My own is long distance relationship. 67. You are reducing it. Please don't reduce it. Let us measure number of years. You said 70, then you said 67. 67 plus their age is not bad, but no, add something. Let's make it like 300. 300 years. Let's make it 300. Some online in-laws will not kill us. 500 years. That's what it will be. That is what it will be. For Christ's sake, online in-laws, you people should allow us to rest. You people should allow this. Hey, so somebody cannot have cough in marriage in peace. The person cannot just in fact, just get angry. Small 1 minute in marriage. The person cannot just say, I'm not happy. 2 minutes in marriage. Online in-laws will come with their tape. Somebody was writing how many 300 years. It's okay, it's not bad. Somebody was busy writing how many years Trumaya's marriage will last. That this marriage will not last. How can someone think like that? Are you God? Are you God of marriage? Well done. God of marriage. People are so funny, honestly. Celebrities, they are trying, honestly. I wonder how they will rest when they see all these comments, all these videos everywhere. How they will use and rest and sleep well. Hey! Oh, may God give us grace. So, hey! What kind of wahala is this one again? Ordinary interview, somebody cannot do again. 1 minute interview, somebody cannot do again. People have carried it everywhere and even given number of years that it will last. See, what I want us to understand in this marriage of 18 is that, marriage is difficult, it has ups and downs. So my marriage is long distance, and I think this should be our 12 years in marriage, and we are happy. You see, we are happy. We and our cultural difference is a little bit, although Wode Maya and Miss Trudy, their own is interstate difference. Our own is their own is inter-country. Our own is just interstate, just different state. We are in the same Nigeria. But the first time, in fact, my first year in marriage, let me gist you people something. Greetings from Indonesia. Okay, thank you so much. Welcome. I really appreciate. Okay, welcome. So my first year in marriage, hey, me too, I had this small cultural difference. I don't know if you guys know Nigeria very well. I'm from, it's the same tribe, but we are from 2 different states. My state, we eat pounded yam. In my husband's state, they eat akpu, that's from cassava, the one they make from cassava. Ordinary, in fact, me, I didn't like akpu like that. I didn't like, in fact, I had to learn how to like it, to enjoy it. In fact, their soup is bitter leaf soup. Imagine cooking soup with bitter leaf. And our own, we don't cook our soup with bitter leaf. It's not our own delicacy like that in my village. We have our own village soup, and my parents were not used to all those bitter leaf soup of 18, When I came, I saw that they do bitter leaf and akpu. I relaxed now and start learning it, and I started making my own even better. In fact, I was even making my own was even sweeter than the original. It was sweeter than the original. In fact, now me, I love that akpu very, very well with that bitter leaf soup. Can you speak Indonesia? No, please, it's only English I can speak. Even the English self, I'm not even good like that. Please, I can speak English, I can speak Igbo, Igbo. If you want me to teach you Igbo, I can speak Hausa, these are the, I can speak Pidgin, as a bit knack Pidgin, well. If not that one you want, but Indonesia, no, I cannot speak that one. So, my dear, marriage is not easy, oh, especially when there is cultural difference. At a certain time, I was missing my village the first year of our marriage. At a certain time, I was moody. After all my work, I went inside the room. I was staying on my own. I was very, very moody because that village was not sweet though. My husband's village is not as sweet as my own. My own lively, enough ceremonies. There is masquerade. You go and watch masquerade. You watch football. Cousins. We live together like our settlement is compacted. We live together like you can just from your house go to your neighbor's house, go to your brother's house. Then I now went to a place that, in fact, from this house to this house is a little bit far. Like, it's not, they don't even relate like that, except they are the same family. Okay, even those ones that are within the same family, you have to trek very, very well before you enter the other person's house, you know. So going to that kind of place was not fun for me. In fact, that first year of marriage, I just went inside. I was just crying, lying down, crying because the cultural difference, the fun was not there. I'm missing my home. I'm missing my family. I just sat there. I was crying one side, tears. So small time, my husband came and was asking me what's wrong with me, and I told him that can and I told him that I'm actually missing my my people. And then after some time, after some days there, he now told us, okay, everybody enter, let us go to my own village. And that was how we traveled to my own village, and we spent some time there. And ever since then, once in a while, we just travel to my village and go and spend some time. And now sef, even if we didn't travel to my village, it's not even bothering me. But most times, one thing or the other must even take us to my village. Somehow, some way, we'll just go and spend 1 or 2 days and then go back. So, and it became fun. It's not easy to leave your family and everything and just pack and go and live with and go and live with someone else that you don't know. Why? It's not easy. It's not easy. Different family, different culture, different environment, different upbringing, different language. In fact, everything different. It's not easy. It's not easy. So please, you people should allow this couple. Let them just enjoy their marriage small, small. Let them just enjoy their marriage. Allow them. She with time, she will understand now. All of us, we pass through that stage. So with time, that stage, that one is stage one. No, there are different stages of marriage. In fact, marriage is in stages. So by the time she gets to 9 years, she will experience another one that if it does not break her, she might even last there for long. Okay, so that notwithstanding, people that are 20 something years still break up, people that are 16 years still break up. But my prayers for them and my prayers for myself is that it stands the test of time, and they will see their children in Jesus' name. Amen. As I'm praying for them, I'm praying for myself. Oh. So I think that will be the end of this video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you're new. Subscribe if you're new. And I will see you in another one. Bye-bye. Love you. Mwah.